A Copycat Business. Dialogue B. A few hours later, Arthur returns to the office.
So, what did you find out?
Thankfully, the bags aren't from our workshop. The designers at Mercury just copied the style. Did you get one of their bags while you were out?
Yes. It's clearly a copy.
What did you discover?
Well, the dimensions are almost the same. Just a few centimeters difference here and there. Also, the inner pocket is on the opposite side.
And obviously, they used a different zipper, clasp, and purse strap.
Do you think we should contact our lawyer?
Honestly, no. They've changed the design enough that we probably wouldn't have a case.
Well, you know what people always say.
No. What do they say?
Imitation is the most sincere form of flattery.
Save your jokes, Arthur. I'm still really mad.
Oh, calm down. Our handbags are way more stylish and we use better material. Let the copycats copy and we'll keep on making better products than everyone else.
You're right. In fact, I've got some great ideas for our 2022 spring and summer collection.
Cool. I'm all ears.